A string floss is not going to help with the clean mouth. A string floss is helpful for your front teeth, but when you're reaching the back of your mouth and the back teeth, it's going to be a lot more difficult and more tiring to floss back there. You're not going to 100% get everything. However, when you use a water flosser, the hook attachment of the water flosser easily reaches the back of your teeth. I'm going to show you right now. I'm barely extending my arm and I got there really easily. And what this is going to do, it's going to shoot up a pressure of water. However, when it's doing the water pressure, it's not going to hurt your gums in my experience. For me, the pressure is enough to clean out my teeth without hurting myself in the process. Plus, there's also different modes. You can use the normal, soft, pulse. If normal is a little still too intense for you, because it does take time getting used to, just go on soft and it will be a lot more lighter on your teeth. This is amazing to get rid of the gunk back there and clean out your front teeth. So if you're someone looking to have a more efficient flossing system, highly recommend this because you barely have to extend much. It's going to be less tiring on you and it's going to really get rid of those hidden food particles within your teeth. So I'm going to demonstrate this right now. I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to be on the normal mode. And then you want to fill this compartment here with water. And turn this on. Super easy. I feel fresh in the mouth. I feel like it's taken out everything. And it's something you need to really clean out everything in your mouth, especially those back hidden teeth where it's just so hard to reach at times.